like, I'm excited to see something happening in here. Yes. Other than me, like, yeah. So it was so awesome. I gotta like, because I was like that and like touch this building.
We'll just carry that over.
Okay, we're getting the pipe and drape set up right now, and then the rest of the furniture is coming. So they're setting this all up. So we're blocking off this section and then this whole section. So it's just like gonna be a corner. And we're finishing the balloons. And we have Kate right here. Hi, Kate. Wait, I want to say Kate is fantastic, and she has helped us throughout this whole process. And then we have Mom. Okay, so the other wall just went up, so we're blocking this whole area, and then we have one more section, and then the furniture company just delivered bookshelves for the merchandise, and then we have the guys out here. I'll zoom up. They're getting the bar, and they're bringing it in right there. So it's coming along. Almost done.
The same Balloonatics is glad to help decorate.
These guys are putting our balloon arch up for the event. If you need balloons in Oxford, definitely check them out. They're great. Perfect. It'll be in the description box. This looks really great. Oh my god. We have been reunited. It's all us. We are back together. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm here. I'm the flesh. We are here and I need to focus on driving. Oh my god, you little NASCAR. It's so good to see you. So good to see you. Oh my gosh. So she's here. I've been showing clips. We've been setting up. I've been in class. Yeah, she was in class. Update, we've been studio sister setting up for the pop-up shop, which is tomorrow. It's a beautiful day, and now we have just arrived at Fridge and Pantry, and we're gonna go get some lunch. Okay, we're gonna get some food. Don't forget your phone.
Oh my god, my mask! I just want to talk to you so badly. Okay, hello. I just grabbed the camera. I look absolutely atrocious. So I'm here by myself, and I was like, well, I have the camera, so I'm gonna vlog. Everything is coming along swimmingly, and I'm currently setting up the little cash register situation with these adorable Emily on Bose bags and our pink tissue paper. I was gonna say wrapping paper, but it's tissue paper. And oh, look at that. Oh my god, I can set you up. So that's what's happening. And later tonight we're gonna get dinner, see Emily's apartment. I've never seen her apartment. I'm dying to go see it. And then I just had class, and then we got lunch. So everything is going very well. So excited for tomorrow. That's what's happening, and I will keep you updated.
Okay, hello everyone. So it is currently Thursday afternoon. It's almost 5 o'clock. I just wanted to do an update. I know that I've been showing you a bunch of clips from today, but we have had a super successful first day of setting up. We're almost done. First we had the guys clear out this entire space. We are at the old Follett's bookstore, which is right across the street from Brick, if you guys go to Miami or you know the area. So we were able to get a section, like the first corner when you walk in, cleared out. And cleaned, which was amazing. And then we got some furniture delivered from a store in Cincinnati, and then we also had pipe and drape set up by the same company that brought the furniture as well. And then we had a balloon company set up this balloon arch, which is amazing. It's a balloon garland, and we're also having some more balloons brought here tomorrow as well. They're bringing those in the morning. And yeah, then we've just been setting up all of the merchandise for the rest of the day. I'll kind of give you a little bit of a rundown. Obviously tomorrow it'll be fully set up, so I will show you everything. But
it's coming together great, and Elizabeth and my mom have been such a huge help. We've been like listening to music and setting all of this up. So this is kind of what we have. Everyone will get a free coffee tomorrow. We have the La Colombe cans of coffee, which we ordered. These are just gonna be for everyone to take, and we put this on this Emily Ellen Bowes mat. And again, I'll like show you tomorrow. We're getting balloons that are gonna go right here. Also, this will not be up for tomorrow, but we just put this up as we were setting everything in the store up. And then we have this rack right here with the sweatshirts, and then we did have these 2 bookshelves. This is from the furniture company. My mom brought that white rack. I'll try and find it and leave it for you guys. And then we have these bookshelves that are white, which is where most of the merchandise is. And yeah, we just have little signs that have the prices on it. We have this tray with our notepads, and then we have our stickers, and then we have the hats. We have some fake peonies that we put in these glass vases, and we tied a ribbon around it. We have our tote bags that are stacked right here. And then we have divided all of the sweatshirts with the different sizes, so we kind of have like a little system. Okay, we just finished and we're about to go, but I just kind of wanted to do another overview. So we have this whole section right here with the 2 light pink velvet chairs, and then we have this little rug that we brought, and then the table, which is gold and white. A lot of merchandise on it. As you can see, we have our mugs, and it's on this acrylic little tray, which is so cute. And then we have these prices scattered around so everyone knows how much it is. And then we have some of the busy brunching hats, and then we have our busy brunching candles as well. And then we just kind of stack the merchandise onto the chairs and stuff so people can access it really easily. And then we put one right here so they could see the logo. And then we have a tote right on the ground. And then to the left of this, we have our big pop-up shop sign, which is so cute so people really know where they are. And then we have a whole thing of merchandise with the same things, sweatshirts, mugs, and then the tote. And then right here we have our checkout area, which Elizabeth is going to be manning tomorrow, which is exciting. We have my logo right on the front. And then we have this gold tray with the busy brunching stickers, which are so adorable. Brunching, and these are gold little beaded bracelets, which I'm so excited about. So those are one of my favorite items. The fake peonies, we have another sign showing how much everything is. And then we will have the iPad, which is how we're going to check people out tomorrow. And then we're selling some of those masks, and then we're also going to have some balloons that will go right here. And then we have the other bookshelf, so we've divided all the sweatshirts up by sizing so we know where each of them are. And then just more, this is more of like the candle area, more hats as well. And then over here we have our huge balloon garland, which is fantastic. This is just such a great piece, and it really adds a lot to the space. And then as you can see right there, we have that little gift bag, which we are going to use for the rest of the balloons that are coming tomorrow. So kind of like a little weight. And then over here, like I said, we put up these sheets just so people couldn't see in, but we will be taking those down tomorrow. This really came together so well. We're probably gonna run a vacuum tomorrow. And again, we're gonna add some more balloons, and I will make sure to show you guys that as well as our outfits. But for right now, everything's set. Great job, you guys. This was so much fun. We had an amazing time setting it up. Honestly, one of the best parts. And yeah, I can't wait for tomorrow. So I just walked out, and I was literally in my room for 5 seconds, and my adorable roommates were so sneaky and they just set this up, and it says happy everything. Is this for like my early birthday, or is this just for life?
Combined.
Okay. Oh, and the pop-up.
It sums it up right there.
Happy everything. This is so sweet. And cupcakes. We have a little is this champagne? Yeah, that's adorable. And then a little card. Oh my gosh, you guys, you were so quiet. This was literally like 5 seconds I was in my room. You guys, you're so sneaky. This is so cute. I just wanted to show you guys. So I just opened my gift, and we got a little candle, which is so cute. This is all from Apple Tree, and it's like a whole wine theme too, because it's like my birthday and all of this. So it smells so good. And then we got a little rosé themed, this is a soap, a hand soap. And then we also got this dish that says bling 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 for like my jewelry and stuff. So this is so me, so adorable. Okay, hello, welcome back. I am in Emily's extremely comfortable zip up from Nordstrom, you say? Nordstrom. Fun. And I'm staying overnight. I decided to stay in her apartment because it's cozier, it's brighter, I feel more at home, and I get to spend more time with you. Yeah. So I'm really excited. We have packed up most of Emily's stuff. Look at her cute desk. I don't think I've ever seen how cute this is. I feel like I showed it in my videos. Maybe you have. I'm seeing it with fresh eyes for the first time. Packing up, and we're gonna try to go to bed early tonight so that we are ready to go for tomorrow. We have 12 to 4 full day, and then we're gonna drive home immediately after that. And so, oh my god, that was so loud. So we get to spend more time together. Her roommates dropped off, or like put out the cutest cupcakes and gift. I'm dying. And
dying.
Yeah, we had a lovely dinner. We had like some sort of pizza lavash. We had fridge and pantry, thank you for that, which was delicious. And then we walked and got graters, which was even better. And then we watched some YouTube, and here we are. So we're being very productive. Good morning, my little pea pod. Oh my goodness. Look at you. I know, Alyssa just woke up in her apartment. I just made her an espresso. She slept on my floor. It's okay, we have to get pop-up shop ready, and I just don't feel like we're pop-up shop ready.
I will be.
No, yeah.
This eye isn't open. It's all about the placement of the rug over me. To keep me warm.
But we made her a little baby Nespresso because she is my little baby Nespresso. I'm dying, I know. So I'm gonna go make some coffee as well. Are you enjoying your time at our apartment?
I'm really enjoying my time. I feel like I'm on vacation.
Do you?
This is my only vacation.
This is the first time you've left the home in like months. Yeah, well, you know what? You just drink your coffee and we're gonna get you everything else. Yeah, oh yeah, look at that. Look how perfect that is. Just
cozy sweatshirt.
I know, you can have it because I've literally worn it all since. Okay, ready? Boop. Okay, hello everyone and happy Friday. It is pop-up shop day. I'm so excited. It's currently like 10, what time is it? 10:30. Okay, no one's answering me. So it's currently like 10:30. Elizabeth actually stayed in my apartment last night, which was so fun. We went and got dinner this morning. We had our coffee and then we got ready and we just came to the space. My mom got here around 9:30. We're still waiting for some more balloons to be delivered, but I wanted to show you guys my outfit and then just kind of like do an overview again of everything once the balloons show up because it's gonna add a lot to the space. And then my dad and Claire should be here around 11:45. And then it starts from 12 to 4. So we have a little bit of time. We're gonna probably go get some breakfast, a little bit of coffee, and just make sure that everything is set. We've been taking some pictures and I just want to have a lot of time to get some content and some good Insta stories for everyone, but I'm so excited. Hopefully people show up. We just put our signs up for like enter and exit and making sure that everyone knows that we have to wear our masks once we're in here, so we're being very safe, and obviously we will all be wearing masks once the event starts, but it's just the 3 of us here right now. And we just put our little Hawaii playlist on, so we have some good background music, and overall everything is set and ready to go, and I'm so excited. I can't believe that the day is finally here. Elizabeth and my mom are both in busy brunching sweatshirts as well. I will show you guys their outfits, and yeah, that's pretty much the update I have at the moment, but we will continue on for the rest of the day and obviously try and get as much vlog content as possible. So mom and Elizabeth are both wearing the busy brunching sweatshirt. So mom has the navy one on and then she just put a little white collared shirt. Okay, you can see the logo right here, and then jeans, and then what shoes are you wearing, mom?
Vejas.
Your little Vejas, very comfortable. And then look, we have masks that say Emily Owen bows on them, which is so cute. And then Ebeth is wearing the same white sweatshirt, so cute, just jeans, pink golden goose. You look adorable. And then she has her earrings right here. We both have these matching earrings, which are from J. Crew. So this looks so cute. And then Claire's also gonna be wearing a white sweatshirt, and I will show you guys my outfit. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing the navy busy brunching sweatshirt, and then I have this collared shirt underneath it, which is from J. Crew, just because I wanted to layer something so I can show the many different ways that you can wear the sweatshirt. And then I'm wearing white pants because they just really pop and stand out. These are from J. Crew. And then my pink little loafers I wanted to wear since there's touches of pink everywhere, and these are from Madewell. And then I just have my normal gold jewelry, and then I have the same bow earrings that Elizabeth and I were wearing, and Claire also has, sorry, really close, Claire also has the same ones, and these are from J. Crew. So this is my outfit, very comfortable, be able to move around a little bit. Honestly, I wish I could drink some of this right now. La Colombe's coffee is the best, so definitely check that out. You could buy it on Amazon. We put our signs up, exit, and then they'll come through this way and just kind of like go in a circular motion and loop around. Okay, update. So the rest of our balloons just showed up. Tommy, who is in charge of our balloons, I will have all of his information in the description box. He did our balloons. So we have these 3 balloon bunches. Obviously you guys saw the garland yesterday. We added another one in the corner, and then we have one at the checkout area, and then we have one over here, which we're gonna try and put outside if it's not too windy. So yeah, this makes the whole space look so much better. If you go to Miami, you live in Oxford, check Tommy out. Okay, so everything is set. We have our balloon bunches right in the window. We have our iced coffee waiting for everyone. My dad and Claire are gonna be showing up very soon, and it's almost time to get started. Elizabeth, are you excited? Your iced coffee, she's ready to work Shopify. Oh yeah, everyone's gonna be wearing masks. We have tie-dye matching masks, so cute. Really love these balloons right here. And then whip it around, and then mom also has our matching masks as well. And we're almost, yeah, we're getting ready. It's almost time to get started. I'm very excited. I hopefully people will come. And then this is also what the gift bags will look like when you guys check out. You have this cute little pink tissue paper, and then all of the bags are white with my sticker on it. So hi, how's it going? My best employee of the month. We have the iPad right here. This is how we're gonna check everyone out. Okay, hello everyone. So the pop-up shop has just started and I wanna make sure to get some content, and our lovely friends have just showed up. They've just purchased their new Emily on Boats merchandise. Everyone holds it up. So it's going very well right now, and we also just set this whole step and repeat sign up for more pictures because Terry brought it. So we have another addition to the picture area right here, so which is really fun. So yes, hello everyone. They just stopped in. They are shopping at the pop-up shop. Hi Max, good to see you. Thank you for coming everyone. Oh my god, I'm dying. Okay, hi everyone. So we're shopping right now at our pop-up shop, and we just had some of these amazing girls that came in. So Isabel and Olivia just stopped in, and they, do you guys watch my videos? Yes, okay, perfect. So we're all shopping at the pop-up shop right now, and did you guys get some good goodies? Look at her cute little shoes. Look, she's wearing her cute little Vejas. We love that so much. You guys are so sweet, so thank you for coming in. This is Olivia, and she just came in, and she is my 9,000 follower on Instagram, and she just found you. Do you want to come in? Okay. Okay, and this is her sister as well, and they all just came in right now to shop the pop-up shop. Okay, hello everyone. So there's just been a quick break in the pop-up shop. There's no one in here right now other than my family, so I thought it was a great time to pull out the vlog camera and update everyone. It has been so much fun today. We've had so many people come in and say hi and take some pictures, and our candles have sold out, which is amazing, and a lot of people have been purchasing our sweatshirts. I've had so much fun meeting everyone, and I'm seriously just like on a high from the whole day. This is amazing, and everyone is so sweet from it all, and my family is here. They're being fantastic. We still have like a good hour left, so I'll talk to you guys when everything is wrapped up, but I just wanted to pop in really quick and do a little update. This is what the pop-up shop has turned into. There it is, ladies. We have had a very successful day. Very successful selling day. Work it, ladies. Carpal tunnel, our top sales associate. This is too much. There it is. I don't know what's happening at the pop-up shop, but we've hit a point. There it is, ladies. Give it to me. Never. I can't. This is perfect. There's Terry. Woo! There it is. You cutie patootie. Thriving. We're almost done. It's almost 4 o'clock. I think we've had our last customers, so we're just celebrating.
What's your dance?
This was our best day ever.
No,
this was the best
we
day.
did buy it.
We did buy it. Wrapping up right now, taking everything down. All of this, it's so easy to take down, which is good. We're working fast. Successful day. Okay, everything is wrapped up, so all this furniture is gonna get picked up at the furniture company tomorrow, and the pipe and drape will get taken down, and then they're gonna take the balloons down, but everything else we've just wrapped up.